There is an old saying in Ireland, Tús agus deire an duine, tarans ar a tinne. At the beginning and end of life, we are drawn to the fire. This proverb, or seanachal, is a gentle reminder of the central place that Salach, the heart, held in the Irish psyche, a place where we encounter the wonder and the comfort of the fire and the flame. For our ancestors, it was also a place of storytelling. Psychologically, myth, folk tales, and stories help us make sense and meaning of our lives. The ancient legends and tales shared at the hearth at night bridged the seen and unseen worlds. To watch the flame of a fire is a very soothing experience. This brings us into connection with our inner world. Time is no longer linear. People talk more of presence, of being, rather than doing. For the child, the fire and flame awakens that sense of wonder, awe, and curiosity. For the older person, the fire becomes the quiet companion, a place of memory and reflection. These are spaces of slowing down and noticing, where we can come to meet the depths of ourselves. Tús agus deire an duine, tarans ar a tinne. At the beginning and end of life, we are drawn to the fire.